The core values of my business and the core values of my practice are first and foremost peace and tranquility for the patient coming in. So when people come into our practice, they have to experience a sense of calm, a sense of peace, and a sense of effective support for the problem that they have. So everything we do is to maintain some sense of decorum, some sense of peace in the office, some sense of stability and calmness. Because people who have a disease, people who have dis-ease, is if you break the word up, people who have dis-ease are experiencing quite the opposite of calm, steady, stable environment somewhere, somehow. And oftentimes the etiology can be psychological, can be emotional, but it's now expressed on the somatic level. So there's a disturbance on the somatic level. So we start by providing stability and peace and calmness for the patient so they can actually stabilize and stop declining and start to build up their health